Let's talk about money. Everybody's favorite topic. We all want it. We all need it. But what do we really know about it? We've all heard the sayings, the supposed truths about wealth. Money can't buy happiness. More money, more problems. But are these really true? Or are they just myths, illusions, masking the real power of money? In this essay, we're diving deep into the surprising truth about money. We're going to debunk common myths and expose the realities underneath. Get ready to challenge everything you thought you knew, because understanding these truths can revolutionize your relationship with money and unlock a future of financial freedom you never thought possible. It's time to break free from the illusions and discover the true potential of financial freedom. Are you ready? Let's go. We've all heard it a million times. Money can't buy happiness. And you know what? It's true. No matter how much we accumulate, the essence of happiness remains elusive. Money in and of itself cannot buy happiness. It can buy comfort and security, but not the deep, lasting joy we all seek. You can't walk into a store and buy a carton of joy or a pound of contentment. These are not commodities on a shelf. Happiness is a complex emotion, a state of being that comes from within. It's cultivated through mindfulness and gratitude. Think about it. Have you ever known someone who had a lot of money but seemed deeply unhappy? Their wealth couldn't shield them from sorrow. Maybe they were always stressed, always chasing the next big thing, never content with what they had. The pursuit of more left them empty. Money alone couldn't fill the void in their lives. It couldn't replace the need for genuine connection and purpose. On the flip side, I've met countless people who lived simply with modest means, yet radiated joy. Their happiness was palpable. They found happiness in their relationships, their passions, their purpose in life. These were the true treasures they cherished. Money was a tool, yes, but it wasn't the source of their happiness. It was their inner peace and connections that truly mattered. Now, let's tackle another common saying: more money, more problems. This phrase has been around for a long time and resonates with many people. This one is a bit trickier because it has an element of truth, but it's not the whole picture. It's important to understand the nuances. It's true that having more money can lead to new, more complex problems. These problems can range from investment decisions to managing large sums. You might face investment decisions, tax implications, or even family disputes over inheritance. These issues can be stressful and challenging. However, let's be realistic here. The benefits of having more money often outweigh the drawbacks. Having more money also provides more solutions. It opens up opportunities that wouldn't be available otherwise. Imagine this. You get hit with an unexpected medical bill. This can be a daunting situation for many. If you have financial security, you can handle it without falling into crippling debt. This peace of mind is invaluable. You can afford the best health care without worrying about the financial burden. This ensures better outcomes and less stress. More money can mean the ability to provide for your loved ones, pursue your passions, or give back to your community. It can enrich your life in many ways. It can mean financial security, peace of mind, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. This freedom is something many aspire to. The key difference lies in how you manage your money. Effective management can turn potential problems into opportunities. Here's a myth that needs to be busted wide open. Only the rich can invest. This is simply not true. Investing is not just for millionaires and Wall Street tycoons. It's for anyone who wants to grow their wealth over time. And it's more accessible than you might think. You don't need a huge sum of money to start investing. In fact, there are many micro-investing apps that allow you to invest your spare change. Start small, educate yourself, and watch your money grow over time. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making smart, informed decisions that align with your financial goals, whether you're starting with a few dollars or a few thousand. Section 5. Debt, the freedom stealer. Let's talk about debt and its impact on our lives. It's become so commonplace that many believe debt is normal, an unavoidable part of life. But let me tell you, debt is not normal. It's a burden. It creates stress and anxiety. It weighs you down, limits your choices, and steals your freedom, making you feel trapped. Think of debt like a giant anchor tied to your ankle, preventing you from swimming towards your financial goals and dreams. Every dollar you owe in interest is a dollar that could be working for you, growing your wealth, instead of lining someone else's pockets. Living debt-free might seem like an impossible dream, but it is achievable with the right mindset. It takes commitment, discipline, and a plan. You need to be dedicated to the process. Start by creating a budget, tracking your spending, and understanding where your money goes. Tackle your debt strategically, starting with the highest interest rates to minimize the financial burden. The feeling of liberation that comes with being debt-free is priceless, offering peace of mind and true financial freedom. Section 6. Financial literacy, your key to freedom. Here's a powerful truth. Financial education is key. Knowledge is power, and this is especially true when it comes to your money. The more you understand about personal finance, budgeting, saving, investing, debt management, the better equipped you'll be to make sound financial decisions and build a secure future. The good news is financial education is more accessible than ever before. There are countless books, podcasts, websites, and even free online courses dedicated to helping you improve your financial literacy. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Seek guidance from trusted financial advisors and continue learning throughout your life. Investing in your financial education is an investment in yourself and your future. Section 7. Small steps, big changes. You don't need to overhaul your entire life overnight to become financially secure. It's about taking small, consistent steps that add up to big changes over time. Start by setting small, achievable financial goals. Maybe it's saving a certain amount each month, paying off a specific debt, or investing in a retirement account for the first time. Once you've mastered those small goals, set new ones and keep pushing yourself forward. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your progress along the way, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. The important thing is to keep moving forward, one step at a time. Section 8. Take control of your future. For too long, many of us have let money control us. We've allowed ourselves to be driven by fear, insecurity, and a lack of knowledge, but it's time to change that narrative. It's time to take control of our financial destinies. Understanding the truth about money, that it's a tool, a resource to be managed wisely, is empowering. It allows us to break free from limiting beliefs and embrace the possibility of a brighter financial future. Remember, you have the power, to shape your financial destiny. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Embrace the challenge, seek knowledge, and take control of your financial future. Section 9. Your journey starts today. Congratulations, you've taken the first step towards financial freedom simply by reading this essay. You've challenged common myths, explored empowering truths, and begun to envision a brighter financial future for yourself. But now, it's time to turn knowledge into action. Don't wait for the perfect time to get your finances in order. There will never be a perfect time. The best time to start is right now, today, this moment. Take what you've learned and start implementing it in your own life. Create a budget, pay down debt, invest wisely, and never stop learning. Your journey towards financial freedom starts today.